I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device OS and available storage so nothing blocks the install. You'll either add the official YouTube app or create a web shortcut. Choose based on how often you use features. Once done, unlock the home screen edit mode by long pressing an empty area, then tap Widgets or App Drawer. You should see YouTube listed. Press and drag the app or widget to your desired spot. Make sure the placement won't overlap important apps. Now customize placement and interaction so YouTube works the way you want. Drag the icon to a home page or into a folder. Placing it in the dock gives one-tap access. If using a widget, resize it and grant any permissions for background playback or media controls. Once positioned, open the app briefly to confirm shortcuts and playback controls appear, then tweak notifications and background refresh so updates don't drain battery. These finish by testing launch, playback, casting, and your sign-in state so everything works immediately. If the icon or widget disappears, clear the launcher or home app cache, then re-add the shortcut. Reinstall YouTube only if necessary. Once done, restart the device to cement changes. If issues persist, reset the home layout or check for OS restrictions. Remember, try the cache clear and restart first. Those simple fixes resolve most home screen problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.